You know how long him a work for this? What go on Navina?
You know they are,
They are what a vibe. Start off well for you. You have a big song in the streets right now.
Yeah.
For those who are not familiar, I could just kick it off with a sing piece of that one there for you.
You know a work man work for this. Whole heap of work man work for this. Yeah. You know a long man I search for this. I search rich. Mama say, just the good and good will follow you. Follow you. From a little and I grow, work hard for everything when I want that me know. Dog and a luck.
What's been happening? Catch us up.
Well, I've always been doing music, you know. I don't know the thing go on, but you know, from passing a roach and the business part I never did it. So me and my friend them just do something, but it there on the internet, we use the internet as a platform because we now get the radio play and them thing like, you know management step in the thing different from this, but now we're starting to stashment and get the thing together and do it the right way.
Reminding people about some of your earlier after some of the songs that my people would have maybe know from even them.
To them I feel like do nothing at all. Chill upon the ends, me and my friends on the wall. Yeah, well it's my chilling time. I'm killing. Say if it's not money, please don't call my phone today.
No more than ever, it feels to me like Sing J is really around dancehall. It's coming like a dot of the order for the day right now.
Yeah, it's melodies, you know. You don't know people I record melody and flow. And from then, I've been do melody and flow because I'm a very melodic artist, so you don't know the thing. So people I record melody now. All who can sing, all the DJ them have to have melody right now and keep it comfort to ears right now. So that's melody I do it right now.
So you form back your team now,
yeah,
and you're ready back for the road now. You have the hot single out now. What are you working towards? Is it an EP, an album? What is it?
An EP first, then album. Right now we have an EP for drop soon. You know we have international artists on it, so I won't say no name. You know me and the management, we are sieve out the song. You know some of the songs that we probably like not upon it, but we are do the thing. Just look out in 2019 and you know our greatness.
How do you feel about the overall dancehall scene right now?
Dancehall nice right now. You don't know all for new sounds. You know the man them say trap and them say this, and you know the mobile youth them are going youth them Westmoreland youth. Everybody I get a piece right now. Yeah, in a station one place. So music nice. Open up for the youth them can show them talent right now.
Fights if we make left them, I wonder how we live.
You have some youth that see people with them things and just feel like you're lucky for it, or you just get it easy.
So nobody feel like a lucky man lucky. Why you did the hungry days when man dirty? You know see a blessing fall upon we a judge a love way. No dog and a luck. You know see a work man work for this. Well leave a work man work for this.
You have people feel like artist thing is a joke thing. You just go in the studio and sing some song and make some money and I don't like that. So basically as some you build a song and make people know say, oh I know look. You know see a work man work for this. Because we've been doing music from what? 2010. But people feel like it's an easy road and it's not an easy road. Artists go through a whole struggle like anybody with them 9 to 5. We have bills to pay and you understand?
You know how long when I search for this, I search for rich. Mama said, just the good and good will follow you. Follow you. From a little and I grow, work hard for everything when I want that me know. Dog and I love. Yesterday I did me work hard for it. That's a chat no know I'm about the fix. And nights upon nights in a studio, no sleep. Ice man a campaign in the street.
People now listen radio again. And even now watch IG, you know, at the TV where everybody I watch that at it. So it's good to get your thing promote as much as possible on the internet.
If I sit down and waste it, it's like show say a week. Watch people business and yearns in a seat. You don't know a man get it, but they ready I feel.
We know that the song just start bubbling thing, but what's the future looking like in terms of performances or stuff like that? Are you still just in promotion mode? And
yeah, we are promoting now and build the thing, because we're not going to be look one hit wonder in the studio again. So we are promoting now, so we have a catalogue of song where we are promoting. We're not running down the shows as yet.
Yeah.
You don't know what we are promoting the thing and I do the thing the right way.
I do it from my heart, believing in myself. Self-motivated, well confident. Don't make them break your confidence. Cause what is for you is for nobody else. No dog and a love. You know see a work man work for this. One leap a work man work for this. You know how long when I search for this. I search for it. Mama said.
Alright, last thing I'll tell us, what most makes Navina intense?
I'm a great dad.
Big up, brother.
Just the good and good will follow you. Follow you. From a little and I grow, work on for everything when I want that me know. Dog and I love. One leap I work man put in, I never luck deal with this. Yo, stash man. No sacrifice if we make left them, I wonder how we live.